Hi and welcome to this VIP class. In this lesson, we're going to talk about people. For your business to succeed and you want to be filthy rich, you need people. You need loads and loads of people. People with experiences, people with money, people with the right connections, people who will hold your hand, people who will guide you, people who will tell you what to do, what not to do, people like me here, teaching you about doing business with the right people. So people is the second variable of the boss money formula. And the boss money formula is your mind plus people multiplied by systems equals success. Success is having loads and loads of money. Because you can't help anybody if you're broke. Anybody who tells you, oh, you know, success, you could just be happy. You can't be happy and broke, okay? Anybody who says they're happy and they're broke, lying. They're lying. So we're talking about people, okay? And people here could be mentors, partners, staff, you know, just friends, family, you know, every stakeholder, the stakeholders of your life, the people that come together to make living possible, right? Now, how do you choose working with the right people, attracting the right people? How do you attract the right people? In one of my videos, I'll link it up somewhere here, I talk about the law of attraction and how you become before you attract. You attract the equivalent of who you are. If it seems like you keep attracting really shitty people to your life, then there must be something shitty about you. So what that means is you need to clear your field, clear your inner space, and really ask yourself, who am I and what do I want? Based off of that, you can now start to filter the type of people that come into your business. Everybody is not for you. Everybody is not for you. Everybody is not for you. Say that out loud. Write it and paste it on your mirror. Everybody is not for you. And that's okay. Okay? Because not everybody is going to flow with your vibe. Not everybody flows with the vibe of my videos or with my vibe. And that's fine. Okay? It used to bother me at first, but then now, yeah, whatever. So first, how do you attract the right mentors? First off, identify the people who are living the lifestyle that you want. Not just living the lifestyle, but who are doing the kind of business that you want and they have some sort of success in it. Or you just like their vibe, you just like how they portray their values and their principles. Listen, anybody who you are going to interact with, exchange with, if you cannot pinpoint their values and principles are, their values and beliefs are, then you know you could fall for the trap of thinking that because they look all pretty and shiny and able, you think they're for you. They might not be for you. So these questions, what are your values? What are your beliefs? What do you stand for? Where do you see yourself 10 years from now? What are you building? Why are you building what you're building? What attracts you about people? What makes you happy? What makes you sad? How do you want to contribute to the welfare of the world? These are the key questions. This is how you know if you are dealing with a human being or an animal dressed as a human being. Because, as my Indian guru said, there are lots of donkeys living in human bodies who don't want to take responsibility for their lives, who just want to do whatever they feel like without, you know, any mind for the consequences. And there are people out there who want to cheat you, who want to use you, who want to abuse you, who just want to take. They want to suck your blood. Okay, you need to stay away from all those people who just want to suck your blood. They see that you're enthusiastic, especially, you know, the millennial generation. We are really energetic, we're creative, and we really want to help. We really want to make the world a better place. And it's really cute. It's so cute. And you have some vultures and vampires that see that and they see that potential and they just want to grab it, all of that energy, and just suck it for themselves and then leave you empty and dry. So you have to be able to recognize those kind of people. They know how to use the right words to seduce you. They know how to mind control you to say yes to whatever they want. And you know, you'll be having that feeling inside that, you know, this is a bit uncomfortable. But because it's looking all bright and shiny, it's a shiny object syndrome. You think it's good for you. And they're saying all these words, it's confusing you. They're saying one thing, but they're doing something else. And you're wondering, yo, what's going on here? Stay away. Stay far away from those kind of people. people. Now, for you to be able to attract the right people, it's all about you and what you stand for, okay? It's about your vision and where you see yourself years from now. What are you building? Vision for CEOVIP is to create a knowledge hub of mentors and startups where we're sharing knowledge on spirituality, on tech, on building a successful business, and we create a wholesome space where you can grow from a whole space inside out, where you are aligned with your vision, you're aligned with your purpose, and you're aligned with your passion, and you're ready to do the work, and you have access to the tools and the techniques and the people to make that happen for you. That is CEOVIP. So anyone who is not aligned with this, who just wants to make money, and you don't care how you're making the money, and you're okay with defrauding people, we cannot work together. Even if there's so much money on the table, I'm ready to leave that money on the table, because in the end, it's just going to come tumbling down. All the effort, all the energy, all the time gone. So there's no point, okay? Anyone who's not aligned with that, bye Felicia, toodles. So you need to know for yourself, what are your values? What are your beliefs? What's your vision? What do you see yourself becoming? Who do you see yourself becoming 10 years from now? From that space, it's easier to choose the people you want to work with, the people you want to attract, the people you love their assistance, because not all assistance is free. Some people want something in return, and they might not tell you at the beginning, and then you find out at the end that it's something that you are not in the position and you don't have the power to give. So knowing your values and your beliefs, what's your vision, what's your purpose, these key questions. Now, getting the answers to those questions is not an immediate thing. Like, what's my purpose, God? And then, my son, here is the writing on the wall, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. No. It's gonna take some time. You're gonna need to do some soul searching. You're gonna ask some difficult questions. You're going to face your demons, face your shadows. You're gonna walk through the valley of shadow of death. But guess what? You fear no evil, because he has prepared a table before you in the presence of your enemies. You got this. But you must be important to you, such that your vision is so important that you're willing to allocate the time to find out what it is in order to attract the right people, the right resources to work with you. And so all of these people, right, that you're going to work with, yes, they're helping you fulfill your vision. At the same time, you must give something in return for their help. So top of mind is always, what can I do for you? How can I serve you? Here at CEOVIP, I'm asking you today, how can I serve you? You see, when you come with that spirit of servitude and you share your vision, then people are more willing to work with you and say yes to you, because they see that by helping you, it helps them. So it's a win-win. You can have a win-win situation. It's very possible, okay? So if you've got questions, you've got suggestions, drop them in the comments, send me a DM, send me an email. I'll be happy to answer, and I will see you in the next video. Toodles.